Rob stayed 3 weeks in India, training your people, auditing your processes, giving you some input to improve your quality. Wasn't it enough to fill the gaps?
Rob gave very good inputs, but we felt we must see and experience how the Western world works. That is how visits to AQUAPRO Spain and Germany was organized. My production manager and myself, we visited Spain and Germany. We first visited Spain. What struck us was the housekeeping and discipline in the Spanish factory. The flow of materials from the stores, the working systems, the quality of working. Germany was also another experience. But what we saw best in Germany was a single man carrying out all the jobs concerning to that product. So the concept of one man, one job came to our mind, which we wanted to implement in India.
I previously visited the Doshan factory earlier on in February, where I saw the manufacturing facilities here, which were fairly open plan, and all the works were going on all together in one area. And it was quite a dusty environment. On my visit now, I was quite surprised, a good surprise when we walked into the facility. It was very much like you would expect to see somewhere in Western Europe. They have also built specific factory acceptance test facilities, which are now air conditioned and are well lit, and adjacent to those facilities themselves they have the offices where you can go through your document control as well. We also have seen the way they now package the units, which are done multi-packing with desiccant for moisture absorption during shipping, and also vacuum sealed and then crated with ISM 15 graded wood cartons. It's good for visiting for Western European inspectors or from other places in the world. All in all, I think they've demonstrated that they have control of production here in terms of quality control and delivery, and also packaging. So I hope they will meticulously look after their quality control procedures and be able to demonstrate this when business units order products through this facility, and then we can see that the proof will be in the end products supplied to all of our business units.
Doshan facility here in Kathwada has totally changed. The whole area is now very clean. Dust, it's virtually gone. Most of the documentation is there. There are a few little minor changes that are needed maybe to bring up to the required standard for validated products. The welders trained very good, and the quality, from what I can see, is very good. And third-party inspection is available. Material traceability is something else I've looked at. It's there most of the way through. Most of the wiring is very good, and the control panels. Generally, overall the workmanship of the units is very good. My impressions of my visit here to Doshan at Ahmedabad this time is much better than previously. Vast improvements on the warehousing, the construction area. Still one or two little things that need to be finally sorted out on documentation and some of the certification, but otherwise it looks very impressive, and it's going to be suitable for producing products for the European market.
Doshan India appointed DQS Certification India partner FNO Group of France for improving their pre-engineered systems to the quality of international level and to meet delivery right time as per the customer's requirement. When 6 months back we made first visit here, we interacted to the management, supervisors, operators to know what they are practicing, their present systems, how they do inspections, fix defects and maintain documentations. After 6 months of time, we can see improvement in the systems, accountability and transparent role of each concern and its monitoring, which will ensure manufacturing of right product at right time. The positive part of Doshan that they implemented each and every small suggestion to improve the systems, as everybody's commitment is very high.
The last 10 years I've visited many manufacturing sites working for the pharmaceutical market, and after the 2-day site visit here in Ahmedabad, I'm really confident to bring a client, a pharmaceutical client, for factory acceptance test here because of the renovated facilities with a weight testing area, with a clean room for orbital welding, and with good organized warehousing for all the parts.